Now we're going to talk about the Dubb desktop app screen recorder. Different than the Chrome because the Dubb desktop app can go on top of anything on your computer. It's not beholden to the browser. So what you want to do for desktop recording is you want to Google Dubb desktop app, download it for Mac or PC, and once you do have it, here is a very cool way that you can use it. So once you have the Dubb desktop app on your computer, you're going to see a little Dubb symbol at the top of the bottom. You can select it here. You can see the activity, or you can click View Quick Menu. Now, when it pops up here, you're going to have a number of options here with the Dubb desktop app. We're going to look at screen recording. So I'm going to select screen record here, and it's going to open me up and put me right on the page just like this. Now, a couple things between similarities and differences between Chrome and desktop that you just saw. In terms of the bubble, Bubble does all the same functionality you saw with the Chrome, change shape, custom size, all of that. You also have the same thing with the annotation tool. It does all the same annotations. Now, also here you have a teleprompter. There's a teleprompter available with the Chrome extension as well. We also have the ability to frame here. Okay, so the framing inside here is very cool. Now, the cool thing about the framing is you can choose. So I can go landscape if I want to, just like this. Here we go here, right? I also can change it to portrait if I want to, just like this. You can do social media videos right from your desktop. Right here, you have the ability to do that. I also can technically change it to custom. Custom is one of my favorite ones to do because you can crop around anything you want to crop around. Dock, canvas slide, video, anything. So you can really control the borders of what you're going to record, which is really, really good. Now, in terms of the recording itself, here's what this would look like. So I'm going to hit record. I'm going to get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and now I am recording. Now, just like before, I can pause and resume this recording if I want to. But the big difference here is the check mark. So when I select the check mark here, it's not going to save the video into Dubb like it did previous with the webcam and the Chrome. When I select the check mark here, it's going to open up a preview window, and now I have just recorded a clip. So the desktop app is a clip recorder, which is pretty powerful because you can record a number of clips in here. We're going to merge them into one video and save it into the platform. Now, if you have an MP4 file that you want to drop in here, you can make it part of the story. Just drop it right in if you got an MP4 video you want to drop in here. So it's very dynamic. Now, we just recorded a screen recording video that you see right here. How do we continue recording now? What do we do? How do we keep going? Well, you're going to keep going just like this. There are 3 creative icons down at the bottom. Number 1 creative icon all the way to the left is going to be record screen video. If I select that video, that icon, it's going to take me right back to where I was to record. So let's do that. I'm going to select it here. It's going to take me right back to where I was. I could have swapped out the background for something different if I wanted to. I'm going to hit record, and we're going to get that 3, 2, 1 countdown, and here we go. And I'm recording a video just like this. Now I'm going to hit the check mark here, and there is that clip. So I now have 2 clips inside of the Dubb desktop app. And these clips can be physically moved around. Look, I can change the order, which is really convenient. You don't have to go chronological. I also can tap the 3-dot menu, and I can download or delete each individual clip, or delete it if I want to. Keep the ones I like, get rid of the ones that I don't like. Now, the second icon down to the bottom left, that's your webcam icon. So if I select this here, it's going to open up my webcam. And now I can drop a virtual behind me, screenshot, video, whatever I want. I'm going to hit record here, and it's going to record a webcam version like this. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Click below if you want to book a time in my calendar. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Click the check mark when you're done, and now you have a different visual clip that you recorded that's totally different than the other one. So it's very dynamic what you're putting together, and this is a webcam option. The last option down to the bottom left is going to be your narrator video option. This leverages the power of a pre-recorded video. So let's say I recorded a video. It's sitting in the Dubb Studio library, right? I want to grab that video, put it in a bubble, and put it on top of whatever I want. So I'm going to select the narrator video button. It's going to take me inside my video library. And let's pretend we want ET in here. We're going to grab ET. There he is right there, right? Everyone's going to want to click on this. So what it's going to do is it's going to take a pre-recorded video, and now you can leverage it on top of anything that you want to. So when I hit record here, here is what it would be like. Anymore. So something like that, hit the check mark, and boom, you've got a power of a pre-recorded video you've already done, throw it in a bubble, a square, phone shape, whatever you want, put it on top of whatever you want. That's the leverage of having the Dubb narrator. Now, with the Dubb desktop app, once you have all your clips, we're going to merge it together into one video like this. I have two options. I can hit the upload button, that's going to merge them all together, save it right into the platform, or I can select the edit button, and that will merge the clips together as well. But I can go right in here and I can do some quick editing if I want to. I can get rid of the pauses in here with the Smart Cut feature, and then I can click the download button if I want to download the video, or I can select the upload button, and that's going to save it directly into the Dubb platform to the video edit page. So that is how you use the Dubb desktop app for screen recording.
Hey, it's Rob, your AI and video coach from Dubb. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trainings just like this.